the Seosamh Summer School, so we set it up in memory of my dad. But it's a summer school of Irish music, song, gaelga and dance.
Seosamh was a remarkable man, born and strayed in County Mayo, member of a very large family, and he spent many years, most of his life teaching in fact here in Kilmovee. With his wife Bridgania, and they made a remarkable combination. He began in Clonairon, a very remote school down at the other end of the parish, and even while there he had a wonderful Irish language drama festival. Beyond Simic Seosamh Gonis Roilge agus bhí sé géirí an Roilge a chur an Cín, and he had a wonderful Kelly band even in those days. And later on he began to teach in Kilmovee school itself, and he did enormous work here to promote the Irish language, to promote traditional music, and indeed to promote community efforts and archaeological and historical research and awareness among the people.
Tell me a little bit about Seosamh and how long were you together?
Well, we started teaching in Clonairon in 1955. Actually, I was teaching in Gabhann and he was teaching over in Glenhest. And the couple who were teaching retired and we started there. And we were just master and moshras for a year or so. And then he started to produce a play and I took part in it. And from there, kind of romance started, and that was about 56 or 7. So 1961 we were married. So we were married 47 years when he passed away suddenly in 2008. But during those years, we put a lot of time into music and drama and community work.
Now, you started the summer school in Seosamh was started up 5 years ago.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
How did you feel about that when that started?
I think it's the highest tribute they could pay to Seosamh, because it was a lifelong contribution to music and to the community, you know.
The summer school is a week of classes. It runs from Monday to Friday, and we have morning classes in all the instruments and afternoon classes in Irish, singing, dancing and other instruments. So children have a choice of doing a morning and afternoon class, and we actually have 24 different classes taking place this week. Our tutors would be all from the west of Ireland, and they would be the best of tutors from the locality. So we try and teach Western style music, Sligo, Mayo, Roscommon, and we would have all the best tutors available to us.
We're teaching a class here called Kayla, and it was a new initiative that the summer school came up with. It's a second year, and the main purpose is trying to encourage the 15 to 18-year-old age bracket of music students to kind of return to workshops, because we notice that sometimes at that age that there can be a kind of a drop-off, and that they might have been kind of getting individual instruction in their instruments up to that, and then they can sometimes drop out of workshops. So this workshop, the idea was to encourage the musicians of that age group to come back and to learn something different. It's a group class, so we have all sorts of instruments. We have harp, piano, fiddle, flute, concertina, accordion, guitar, tin whistle, and we're also incorporating song as well in the group. So the aim is to kind of encourage the students to learn to play together, to learn to arrange their music. We're talking about harmony, We discuss about arrangements. We have to start off obviously at the beginning of the week, teaching kind of a common repertoire, because they would have all come from, different maybe music teachers that have learned different types of tunes. And we try to encourage as well, a variety of types of tunes, because sometimes there can be kind of an overemphasis on maybe reels and jigs in particular. And we've learned lots of different types of tunes, like slow pieces, mazurkas and waltzes, unusual tunes as well.
I suppose I knew Seosamh when I started teaching about 10 years ago. He helped me with the Irish plays. So he was a lovely man, and he helped me tremendously with the Irish, and it obviously went on, and I'm now here as a tutor, and I went on to teaching and that. So,
how important is it for the Irish language to be part of a summer school like this?
Oh, I think it's hugely important, because again, the children, they have the opportunity in the morning, because the way the classes are divided, a lot of the instruments are in the morning classes, and then the afternoon we're 2 o'clock till 5 o'clock. So they have the opportunity to do their instruments in the morning and then continue on with the culture. I suppose culture na Gaeilge, I mean, it's parcel and parcel. They go hand in hand, the ceol and the teanga. So it is important that the two are fit to futa, intertwined.
We have the best of everything here in a very relaxed environment. We've great tutors, really, really good tutors. I'm so happy with the quality of the tutors. They're fabulous musicians, and they're also fabulous teachers. And they care about our children, so they remember them. And they come. Marion Egan, second year I came back now, Marion Egan came up to me, 5-year-old boy, and he shook his hand and said, "Welcome back," And you can't buy that anywhere. When you go to summer schools around the country, you can be just another number or a face in the class. But here, they know you, and they care about your children's progress, and they care about them doing well. So they're interested, and that's brilliant,
It's a week where you're completely immersed in music, song, dance, and the Irish language.